guys, I'm doing this tutorial to show you guys how to export um, animations using Maya and Alembic to get to Unreal and getting the UVs for it. So here's my polygon right here, and as you can see on the UVs, this is what it pretty much looks like. So this is what I got, and right here is my animation. So it's pretty much just this robot rolling around. And so what I did before that is uh, I just used the bake simulation inside the animation. And once you bake your animation, all you got to do is just put Alembic cache, and inside of the uh, export selection to Alembic, just put the window right here. Scroll down until you find the advanced option, and you gotta have UV right. You gotta write some color sets and phase sets, and I usually have the world space on. If you have multiple UV sets, you can put it right here, and it will export that as well. And once you're inside of Houdini right here, I just create a geo, or if you already got one, that's all good. Just put Alembic right here, and you find your ABC file, which is the Alembic file. And as you can see from the get-go, it doesn't look that great. There's no UVs, no nothing on it. So all you got to do is inside the load as option, just put unpack Alembic delayed load primitives. And once you do that, you get the UVs, and you can double check to see that you got your UVs by using the UV viewport. And there we go. Now you can put materials on your Alembic files. Have a good one.